Last year, Virginia was my first ever QS that I'd done, and I made the final. So coming back and making the final again and winning my ever first QS here is, I'm like, I don't even have words. I'm so happy right now. So incredibly happy to come into being ranked 5th in North America and then being able to win. I am just like, I don't even know. I'm so happy. I'm really excited. Going in number 2 is making me even more excited for the next season and even more fraught to try to maybe win another QS.